See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Èèyàn finally àwọn United States ti padà release files lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn alien ìyẹn àwọn tẹ̀ ń wò lókè wọ́n dẹ̀ release 162 files kí ló dẹ̀ fà á tí wọ́n fi release ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá rántí lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná tí mo ṣe fídíò lé lórí ní around February Donald Trump ló order wípé kí àwọn CIA kí wọ́n lọ release gbogbo files yẹn pátápátá kí ló dẹ̀ fà á tí Donald Trump fi give order yẹn nítorí interview tí Barack Obama attend lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná ni níbi tán ti béèrè lọ́wọ́ Barack Obama wípé ṣé lóòótọ́ ni pé àwọn aliens wà Barack Obama ní pé lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n wà pé ṣùgbọ́n wọn sí ní area 51 yìí ni àwọn United States máa ń keep everything secret ibẹ̀ náà máa ń keep ẹ̀ sí gbọ́n lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Donald Trump wá gbọ́ ilé ohun Donald Trump fi wá sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tí Barack Obama sọ yẹn ó ní wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tó ní agbára ni according to Donald Trump ó ní these are classified information that is not supposed to be put to the public ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn eléyìí ni Donald Trump wá give order yẹn wá ní àwọn CIA náà wá act upon tí wọ́n fi wá padà release 162 files of the UFOs ìyẹn àwọn alien lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wọ́n ṣe ìwádìí wọ́n ti fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ wípé lóòótọ́ ni wípé àwọn aliens ìyẹn àwọn tẹ́ ń wò lókè lóòótọ́ ni pé wọ́n exist wọ́n ní àwọn scientists America ti ṣe àwọn findings kan láti ọjọ́ tó ti pẹ́ tí wọ́n fi pamọ́ tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí gbogbo ayé tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ ni pé àwọn kìíní wà even though according to report wọ́n ní àwọn aliens yẹn wọ́n ní wọ́n ti wà káàkiri rí pé àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan ti wà láàrin wa pé ṣùgbọ́n àkàntì ìfura ni according to one of these United States scientists ó ní wípé aliens are people like us ó ní pé ṣùgbọ́n they are meant for the future ní tó túmọ̀ sí wípé ó di future kó tó di pé wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa operate.
So aliens are just us, humans from the future. That's not me talking. That's what scientist Amy Eskridge said on camera. She talked about ultra-terrestrials, not beings from another planet, beings from right here, Earth, just thousands of years ahead of us. Two groups she called P47 and P52. Future humans who survived some kind of apocalypse and somehow found a way back to our time. Now think about that for a second.
òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn èèyàn kò tún wá tán síbẹ̀ o according to United States report ìyẹn àwọn Pentagon wọ́n ní pé àwọn take àwọn videos kọ̀ọ̀kan lójú ọ̀run wọ́n ní ó ní àwọn object kọ̀ọ̀kan tí ó ń fò kọjá but àwọn ò lè explain wọ́n nípa àwọn ò tiẹ̀ mọ́ gan táwọn ṣe fẹ́ explain wọ́n ní pé ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ṣẹlẹ̀ about 400 times.
Here the UFO files, the never-before-seen images just made public. The Pentagon releasing the first wave, dozens of videos going back decades, showing mystery sightings in the skies over the U.S. Even American astronauts and what they reported seeing from the surface of the moon. Here's Jay O'Brien tonight.
Tonight, extraterrestrial enthusiasts of all kinds are poring over unexplained videos, photos, and reports released today by the Pentagon on the order of President Trump. More than 160 file sightings of unknown flying objects, some made public for the first time, officially called Unidentified Anomalous Phenomena, or UAPs, better known as UFOs.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá wọ́n ṣàṣọ wípé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí àwọn ṣe gbogbo ìwádìí àwọn scientists ti confam wípé àwọn aliens ni àwọn tí àwọn rí ní ojú ọ̀run o ẹ̀yin èèyàn kò tún wá tán síbẹ̀ o mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ wo fídíò bíi tí àwọn scientists àwọn United States tí wọ́n ti ń confam wípé àwọn aliens tá à ń sọ yìí wípé wọ́n rí.
He says aliens are not on the way, they are already here.
I don't know that much. I do know that there are non-human intelligence is that at a higher order than us that are operating these craft, and we don't really know their intentions right now. But we have proof that oceans. Just today, I spoke with a retired Navy captain submariner who witnessed in 1983 an underwater object that moved at speeds that we can't reproduce.
Admiral, when you say we have evidence that they are, I think, what did you just say to me? They're under the sea, they've been under the sea, something like...
Well, it's all of that, Will. Some of these videos have been leaked, like from the USS Omaha, a Navy ship in 2019 that was operating in Southern California and off Southern California. And then, of course, I've had eyewitnesses come to me, former submarine officers and acoustic intelligence specialists who observed on sonar objects that they can't explain and that our undersea assets can't reproduce to do that.
òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn èèyàn ó yẹ tún wo bíi tí ìkànnì àwọn senior scientists tó wà nínú United States ti ń show picture bíi tí àwọn ti rí àwọn aliens wọn kó tó di pé mo fi hàn yín ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré délé polówó náà. ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílùú òyìnbó tẹ́ ní ìdààmú tó lè máa yín ṣe assignment yín bóyá project ló fẹ́ ṣe ni àbí academic proposal ló fẹ́ ṣe ni àbí wọ́n gẹ́dẹ̀ tún wà tó fẹ́ lọ study nílùú òyìnbó táwọn á ní pé kó o mú statement of purpose wá wò mí o mo mà ti bẹ́ẹ̀ rí àwọn tó lè bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe àwọn ML educator ni o tí wá rí àwọn ML educator kò tún wá kí n ṣe yẹn nìkan náà ṣe o ìwọ tó bá tún wá fẹ́ ṣe tutorial ó yọ ní ìdààmú tó lè tẹ̀kẹ́ ní class classes lórí IELTS bóyá TOEFL ló fẹ́ ṣe ni àbí SAT ó dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ GRE àbí PTE ó dẹ̀ tó lè jẹ́ CELPIP ló fẹ́ ṣe ni bóyá exam registration ló fẹ́ ṣe ni ìyẹn bóyá o fẹ́ ṣe exam kan nílùú òyìnbó tó wá nídìí àwọn tó lè guide ẹ back to back wò mí o ML educator wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ fún ẹ tó tún wá rí àwọn classes wọn it is one on one classes o nídìí láti stress ara ẹ o lè máa wò wípé àwọn online classes wà difficult rárá o eléyìí wọ́n máa make sure pé gbogbo ẹ̀ ló yé ẹ wọ́n tún máa ṣe follow up orí Google Meet gan lè tán máa ṣe classes tí gbogbo ẹ̀ dẹ̀ máa yé ẹ yékéyéké tó bá tún wá nídìí ẹni tó lè bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe business plan àbó nídìí ẹni tó lè bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe CV ni tó bá tún wá gbé assignment fún wọn àbí project ni wọ́n bá ṣe tán wọ́n á bẹ proofread ẹ̀ bóyá wọ́n tún wá wà ó tó ti parí assignment àbó ti ṣe project ẹ̀ tó wá nídìí àwọn tó lè bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe proofreading tó fẹ́ ṣe data analysis àbáwọn tó lè bẹ́ẹ̀ wò bóyá kò sí AI nínú ogbon nǹkan tó bá kọ wọ́n máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe turnitin report ti pé àwọn ML educator ní ìsìn àwọn nìkan náà lè ṣe àwọn services wọn náà ni mo attach ó lè yẹ dáadáa tètè mú nọ́mbà wọn ní ìsìn kó tètè pè wọ́n. ó yẹ gbọ́ látẹnu bàbá ẹ̀.
Now, I asked them to tell me about who was flying these things. He therefore said, fine, they're approximately 5 feet, 4.5 to 5 feet tall. They had one or two of them around that were 230 years old, and we have a total of at least 18 that exist and operate with our facility as Teller set it up. Now notice the eyes are different, nose are different, but they do have 5 fingers, 5 toes, 2 eyes, and rather strangely enough, I asked him how they communicate. He says, well, it's like this, Ward. You all of a sudden have a question in your mind. You walk into a room with one of them, and all of a sudden you find yourself giving the answer to your question in your own voice. They're able to use their own voice like telepathy to talk to you. And I said, fine. Now that's how they look front. And when you turn around and look at the back, it's like that. Now notice that they have 3 backbones. They're actually cartilage. Nevertheless, it's a much more efficient system as ours. They also have 3 ribs in their system rather than more. This is also the back side of an alien. Here's a 45-degree look. And here's the back of the head. Notice the veins. No hair. And now when we talk about aliens, I pushed the issue and he said, well, there's kind of 2 groups of aliens. He divided them, they divide them into 2 groups. One group he calls, it's like you have a ranch. And you have a ranch and you find that one group are your wranglers that know how to wrangle your cattle. Or others are rustlers, ones that steal your cattle. And indeed, the 2 groups